Hi, I'm Yolmer from UAV Log. Welcome to this video tutorial. On this tutorial I'll show you how to use search filters on your flight log, your drones list or battery list. Certain information in UAV Log is presented in lists, for example your flight log, but also the list of batteries and the list of UAVs. In this screen you're able to manage everything related to your flight log, for example to delete certain entries, but also to modify them as we saw in a previous tutorial. But as your flight log grows and grows, it gets harder to keep track of certain things. That's why we developed a certain filter functionality in the flight log system. You can select certain flight log entries using a particular drone and also with batteries. But it's also possible to search for particular data or the particular flight log using a keyword. So when searching for the word manual, this result pops up in the list view. So again, this is the same flight log edit screen you know from the previous tutorials, but let's see where that certain key phrase is at. Oh, here you go. You see here in remarks, I used the phrase manual edit flight log. Going back, you see that the search filter resets itself and you're down to 2 flight logs. The search filter also uses other fields to search for particular data like operator or pilot or drone locations. So be sure to fill in your flights as complete as possible because it will save you a lot of searching time at the end of the day. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful and interesting, but if you still have questions about UAV Log, then don't hesitate to contact us via the website or on social media. Thanks for watching and until next time.